Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today we're going to talk about installing my compact flash reader into my Akai, taking away my mode drive. I ran into a few problems with my long SCSI cable, and I decided to do away with that and then stick to plan A with the cable that I already had. So this is the video about that, and also in stages I'm going to be showing you my transformation of my Akai to where it is today. Guys, frustrating moment there. In the process of fixing my Akai, I wired up a bigger, longer SCSI cable, and since then my compact flash hot swap has actually, stopped working, I guess. I can't seem to read it anymore. It powers up, light blinks. Show you. At the moment it's not blinking, not doing shit. Oh, there you go, light comes on there, blinks. And then Akai boots up as per normal. Okay, Akai's completely froze there, so that's not going to work. So yeah, frustrating just from changing the cable. So you've got to be careful what cables you get out there. Shite. I just hope that my compact flash reader is not busted, because that means I'll have to get another one, and that is going to be a headbang, bruv. Yes peeps, that was a close shave. Yeah, what I did was I got rid of the terminator. There was a little terminator, not Goldie terminator, yeah, there's a little terminator there. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, the little terminator, pin 1, I disconnected that and it started working again. I'm assuming that that terminator was never connected and it was never meant to be there, but I'm going to keep this little jumper. For those of you who don't know, this is what a jumper looks like. It's not a jumper you wear. Better not drop this. It's like a little kind of bridge thing that goes over 2 pins to connect them together. Now, as you can see, oh, hang on, let me take off this light, probably don't need it. There you go. As you can see, SCSI 2, my hot swap is now working, thank goodness, and working lovely. So, and also SCSI, actually wait, let me put SCSI 3 on now. I think this should be on. To be fair, you know what I was thinking, yeah, this zip drive has been working like forever. It's well over 20-30 years old, it's still going. So what's wrong with zip disks? Nothing. They work after all these years, no errors. Might be a good candidate for storing stuff on in the end, you know, after all. Right, so let's take this SCSI, let's change it to number 3. Bosh, that works straight away. So time to move on to the next stage now. I've got to take this mode drive thing off. That's a relief, man. I really did think I lost my compact flash reader over here. So time to string up. I'm not even going to bother connect that long lead. I'm done. I'm just going to quit while I'm ahead here. Heads up, guys. I've got rid of this screw here. Got rid of that screw there. And this came off. And this is exposing. Looking at this now, look, down here is exposed. And I can see the floppy disk drive. And there's a space here to put another drive. So, in theory, you should be able to put the not the mode drive, this compact whatever blah 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 thing here. Now the next bloody thing is getting this off this mode drive case. Now I could use a Dremel and probably just cut it to the right size, which I might just do, you know, and then just slide it in. But this has got screws on the side, and I should be able to just line them up organically with this. So it looks like there's some holes there. See them? Those 2 holes there, 1 and 2. They're going to line up with these 2 holes here. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is put this like that. Excuse the lighting, and draw a line down here, and then cut it with a Dremel. Well, I'm doing this because I want to put the mode drive in my Akai, right? But at the same time, I want to try and create some good content for the channel. You know, stuff that you guys can use, stuff that I can use, So I shouldn't really be hacking into my Akai like this, but I'm gonna do it, man, for the love of discovery. So here goes. Okay, so I'm gonna get a smaller blade, I think, now. Okay, so guys, there you have it. Finally got it done. Still got my pen marks here. I actually left this sort of cover part out for now. I'm going to come back to that and revisit it at another time. Yeah guys, it's not exactly a masterpiece, as you can see, but it will do for now. The compact flash reader is working. Comment down below if you know any way I can make this look a little bit better. If you know any kind of sticker crafts or something I can do. I might even get a little bit of perspex and just get it cut and put it over here. So I'm going to revisit this at a later time, do the finishing touches, but for now it's all working okay. It's looking good. I'm going to finish wiring it up. I've got the internal compact flash reader still installed. As you can see, that's now on number 5. That's working nice. I've got my iAmega zip here on 3, I believe. Might need to power up from the start. Or is that on 2? No, 2, 3. Oh no, it's not plugged in the back. Yeah, so everything's all working lovely, and that's it for now. Guys, if you like the video, please comment down below, like, share, subscribe. 11:16, I'm off to bed. Another day's work tomorrow.